Video understanding involves tasks such as object detection, action recognition, scene understanding, and more. We will extract frames from a video, and for each frame we will use YOLO V8 to detect objects and label them. Given an input video, the program I have written will output two files. As a person, which is always good. A chair is detected as a chair, which is excellent. A corn on the cob is detected as a hot dog and also as a banana. Not cool. GPT says the video appears to depict a backyard picnic or outdoor gathering where food is being shared and consumed. That's correct. The